Hi everyone. I saw this post in one of the Facebook groups where somebody has posted a question that I'm resigned from TCS and it is the last week or so before TCS lets me go. And now the TCS manager has called me and they are trying to match the offer that I have got from Accenture. So basically, TCS wants to retain this guy in the last week of the notice period. And the question this guy is asking is that during the notice period, I also interviewed with IBM and IBM is also going to send me an offer. So now, whether I should get retained in TCS, whether I should join Accenture, or whether I should wait for that IBM offer, that is the question. And a lot of people get into this trap or in this situation where they have multiple offers and they're not able to choose. And the primary reason is because they are not able to think straight. Because if you read this post further, he has shared more details like in TCS, the delivery manager is good, but the project manager is not that great. And this person actually has a problem with another female coworker, probably because this person thinks that this female coworker is creating a toxic environment because both of them are kind of competitors. They have the same skill set and same competency, etc. So my whole advice to this person and to whoever is falling into this particular situation is please think straight. First of all, ask yourself, what is the primary reason you started to look for a new job? Is the primary reason toxic workplace? Are you not able to get along with your manager or a co-worker, etc., etc.? If you've tried everything, nothing has worked out, and that is the reason why you want to change your job, then no matter how much money they offer to you, you will not stay, right? It is very simple. So the question of whether you want to stay in TCS or not is ruled out if your reason to change is toxic workplace and people. Because today the company may be paying you 100 rupees and you feel it is toxic. Tomorrow if they pay you 200 rupees, that does not change the environment, that does not change the people. So the message is think straight. You should know the reason why you wanted to leave this company. Now let's move on to the two offers. From outside, both IBM and Accenture are big companies. You have no way to figure out what kind of people you will work with, because unless you actually land on the project, you can't identify how these people behave. So finding out whether the place is good or bad or toxic or non-toxic is not possible unless you actually start to work with those people. So other priorities might be salary, role, technology, domain, etc. All these things you need to figure out in the interview process by asking the right questions to the hiring manager or the interviewer. You need to figure out what kind of role you will do, what will be your day-to-day responsibility, what kind of technology you will work on, what will be the work timing, and of course the salary structure, the fixed salary, variable, etc., etc. So if you have Accenture and IBM both offers, then these are some of the parameters on which you have to compare the offers and then make a decision. Asking somebody on social media may not help because those people will not understand your priority and your situation. Everybody has different priorities, and that is why the logic and the answer is different for different people. I hope this helps you think straight and make decisions wisely. If you feel this is helpful, share it in your WhatsApp network. I'll see you in another video soon. Take care and bye for now.